What's going on, guys? Pat here from PatrickLongleyRealty.com, and today we're not going to talk about real estate. I'm actually going to make a video showing you how I actually made a video on TikTok and my formula that I used to actually make it go viral. So stick around to get all the details. See you on the other side. All right, guys, so like I mentioned before, I made this video kind of just for fun, but I've actually figured out the formula on what I did that actually made the video go viral. And it's something that you can replicate yourself following these simple 3 steps. Number 1, finding a niche. So what I did was, when I made this video, I kind of focused on a specific niche, and that was my specific area, Hawaii. Now out here, a lot of people basically gather around the campfire and they all can get around certain things that we know about Hawaii, things that always happen in Hawaii, things that people in Hawaii say. These are a specific niche to a specific area that would definitely relate with other people. And that brings me to my second thing, number 2. Pick something relatable. You definitely want to pick something that's going to push people to fully say, I totally know what he means, or gets around a certain idea. Now, I made a video going over some of the silly rules that our governor and mayor put into place based on COVID and some of the things they were putting in place. And I'm sure there's lots of things in your area, and I've seen other videos jumping off what I did in California and Arizona, and you can do it in your area, that people came across and they all said, yeah, that's stupid. I can't believe that they're actually doing that. And that created an emotion. And that created them to like the actual video as well as comment. And it created all of these comments and likes. And that's what TikTok actually likes based on their algorithm. And that brings me to my third and final thing you need to do is milk that video. Make a bunch of videos. One of them will stick. And when they do stick, see why. And figure out why. Was it because it was controversial? Was it because it was something that everybody could rally around? Was it because it was something in your niche market that everybody could fully understand? If people like it, make more of that. Don't steer away from that idea. Keep making more videos similar to that topic and milk it for as long as you can, and you'll gain more and more followers, likes, and things of that nature. Now, I have one other bonus thing I want to go over is basically, how does the TikTok algorithm work? Now, I have a background in digital advertising, so I love geeking out on SEO, algorithm. So I've done some research, so I'm gonna quickly break down how the algorithm works and how you can create your videos accordingly to make sure that you get the most views, likes, and comments. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is, when you make your video, let's understand the algorithm first and make our videos according to that algorithm. So what TikTok does is, once you make a video, it looks at a few different factors. It's going to look at watch time. So if you have a 15 or 60-second video, you're most likely going to get a larger portion of watch time if you have those shorter videos. So a 15-second video, if you can get people to watch it all the way to the end, then you're going to pass that first gate of TikTok saying, yep, that's a good video. People watched it all the way to the end. So you want to really probably milk those 15-second videos, or you can do a 60-second one, as long as you create some kind of suspense so that the person wants to watch it all the way through. So whether that's a text at the bottom saying, wait till the end, to make sure that you increase that watch time as much as possible. Another aspect of the algorithm is actual interaction. So you want people to like and comment. This is why we see a lot of TikTok videos that says like for part 2. It's actually become something really annoying, but you could put a text at the bottom saying, comment what you think about this, or like if this is something that you understand, or something along those lines, where you're going to create an interaction, because that's going to spark the algorithm to push it to the next level. And that's the next thing I'm going to go over, is the levels and why TikTok videos can go viral so quickly. So how their system works is, they have a very small amount of people they show your video to first. Usually it's about 100 people. Then they test it. What's the watch time? What's the interactions, likes, and comments? If it hits a certain portion of those limitations, then it'll show your video to 1,000 people. If it does the same thing, it'll show it to 10,000, 100,000, a million. You can see how it can really gain wheels as long as you follow the rules and limitations and what the algorithm has put in place to figure out whether your video is something that other people will like. So anyways, guys, that's basically the general rundown of how you can make a TikTok go viral. It's a pretty simple formula, but honestly, it just comes to getting in front of the camera, making videos, throwing it out there, and making adjustments accordingly. So go out there, have fun, and I'll see you guys on the other side. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, smash that like button, comment your thoughts below. I would love if you guys would share your TikTok videos down below as well. I will definitely check them out, like and comment as well to spark that algorithm for you. And I really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. So you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.